Hey, I'm Hilton, and today I'm going to fit body moldings to my Audi A6. I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick this up, but there are some marks on my car. There's a mark right there, and there goes my cat. And there was a dent on my door down here, and somebody opened their door against my car and left a really nasty scratch on the paint. There's a scratch over there. So because of this, I've decided to install some moldings on the car, and I've had these moldings painted, and I got them on eBay, and they're actually generic moldings. They're a little bit dusty right now, but I'm going to clean them off. And they're generic moldings. On the ad they said they would fit the BMW 5 Series, and I'm just going to do a mock-up and get them on the car without actually peeling the double-sided tape off, and then just see where they actually need to fit, and then I'll lock them down once I'm happy. So I've stuck them on the car, and I've used some silly putty. You can see some of it sticking out over there, and this is where I would like them to sit. Now you can see the bottom one kind of curves up, which is nice because that chrome molding at the bottom there comes up a little bit. So that's what we're looking at here, and I think that is going to do the trick. So I'm just going to put some tape all along the top so that I know where my line is, and then I can get them stuck on. The main thing to do is to make sure that you just leave a little bit of a gap between the two doors so that the rear door can actually clear the aperture when you open the door. So I'm going to take the tape off, and then we can check the clearance. I think it's pretty good. Now something you'll notice, the rear door one has a little bit of a indentation here, and that's so that you can actually open the rear door, and the clearance is great. I've just left a little bit of a gap there and a little bit of a gap on that side as well, but the overall effect is pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just going to do the other side now, and then I can take some beauty shots. They're installed and I'm pretty happy with the results, and hopefully my car won't have any more dings on it. I did have the ding taken out on the passenger door, but while I was doing this I discovered that there are 2 more dings on my car's doors, so on the driver's side. So I'm most likely going to have them removed as well. But at least moving forward, no one can hurt my car anymore. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Cheers.